Fuel prices across the country increased again as oil marketing companies hiked petrol and diesel rates for the third time in 8 days. People will now pay an average of 90 paise more per litre for all fuel variants. This latest round of hikes has pushed petrol in New Delhi to 99 rupees 51 paise per litre after an 87 paise increase, while diesel now costs 92 rupees 49 paise per litre, following a 91 paise jump. People relying on compressed natural gas feel a similar pinch, as CNG prices also rose by 1 rupee per kilogram across parts of North India. In the National Capital Territory of Delhi, CNG now costs 81 rupees 9 paise per kilogram. Since the streak of price revisions began on May 15th, motorists nationwide have absorbed a cumulative fuel price increase of approximately 4 rupees 80 paise per litre, delivered in 3 separate tranches.
इंडिया से बाहर जो युद्ध हुए हैं ईरान इजराइल वगैरह के, तो उसका असर तो आएगा अपने भारत में भी, क्योंकि ये सीएनजी सब बाहर से आ रही है। अब इसका मतलब ये है कि सीएनजी पे प्राइस बढ़ा दो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, पेट्रोल बढ़ा दो, लेकिन मेरा भी तो किराया बढ़ना चाहिए। हमारा बस एक ही सरकार से कहना है कि हमारा भी प्राइस बढ़ाया जाए।
The price hikes extended across premium and high-octane fuel variants as well. The ongoing conflict in West Asia continues to disrupt energy supplies and push global crude oil benchmarks higher, piling immense financial pressure on domestic oil marketing companies. Even with these consecutive price increases, the government notes that oil firms still face massive daily losses on the sale of diesel, petrol, and cooking gas. While the initial major hike managed to trim daily losses by about 250 crore rupees, the companies still lose roughly 750 crore rupees every single day.
एक बार फिर मोदी सरकार ने जनता की जेब पर डाका डाला है। 10 दिन के अंदर तीसरी बार पेट्रोल डीजल का दाम बढ़ा दिया। पूरी तरह आप असफल हो गए हैं और मैं इल्जाम लगाता हूं ये सारी बढ़ोतरी आपकी गलत विदेश नीति और आर्थिक नीति के कारण हो रही है।